What I have in my hands, it's a professional heat gun, and I'm gonna explain you really fast how it works. So pretty much you can do a lot of stuff with this gun. It's designed with a built-in stand, which is really cool. If you see it here, you can use it just to place the gun, and then whatever you need to heat, use it from here. You can remove paint and varnish. It's very useful for a variety of redecorating applications. You can use it just to handle different types of tubes, pipes. So it has a regulator. So when the temperature is really high, the heat gun will start obviously to overheat, but there will be a protection mode that will stop it from heat, which at the end, what it's gonna be doing is protect you. Once the temperature returns to normal, then you can start heating again, and then you can keep using it. Obviously, and I don't have to say it, but don't use it if you're gonna leave it unattended. You could have kids in your house. Just don't leave this gun if you're not gonna use it, because it can get really hot. If you don't wanna get burns, don't touch it. It's a heat gun. This is a gun that can get very hot. So just be careful. Does it work? Yes, it works.